Today, Huda Al-Turk made a spaghetti with carrots, mushroom, eggplant, peas, and corn. The spaghetti is with potatoes, but I don't see the potatoes, but it's exquisitely delicious. Please continue, Mrs. Ghada Al-Turk.
Then you talk.
Okay.
Why are you crossing your legs like that?
Now I'll taste it for you guys. I can't explain, guys. I can't. So exquisitely delicious, guys.
He said the only word you know, exquisite.
It's amazing.
I
And
like this word.
it looks like I'm in the world's most expensive restaurant, guys. I'm telling you this.